Most automobile companies are vowing to switch to electric, a cleaner and sustainable alternative. An electric revolution is coming to the automobile sector in India. But the industry is facing a shortage of talented, aptly skilled engineers needed for this transition. Are you charged for the electronic future? To explore emerging opportunity, CADD Centre Andheri, Borivali and Mira Road presents the Diploma in Electric Vehicle Battery Design and Operations, a course with a duration of 64 hours. This course has two modules. Module 1 is Electric Vehicle Technology and Operations. Module 2 is EV Battery Technology and Design. Module 1 consists of Introduction to Electric Vehicle, Introduction to EV and History of EVs, Renewable Energies, EV System Architecture, Vehicle Dynamics, EV Propulsion System, as well as DC motors, AC motors, EV Energy Source System, Auxiliary Systems and Sensors, MATLAB Fundamental, Technologies Driving Future EVs. Module 2, EV Battery Technology and Design, consists of Introduction to Energy and Batteries, Basic Chemistry and Physics of Energy, Renewable Energy and Non-Renewable Energy, EV Batteries, Battery Types, Battery Performance, Battery Materials, Battery Modeling, as well as Battery Pack, Battery Management System BMS, Testing, Packaging and Safety, Introduction to Smart Battery and HIL, Modeling of Cell and Battery. These topics are covered in detail at our learning center in person, through classroom sessions or online through live instructor-led sessions. Comment, call or WhatsApp for details.